Hello guys, I hope you are fine. My name is Elon Musk. Welcome to my YouTube channel. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. It is important to view knowledge as sort of a semantic tree. Make sure you understand the fundamental principles, the trunk and big branches, before you get into the leaves details, or there is nothing for them to hang on to. You get paid in direct proportion to the difficulty of problems you solve. My proceeds from the PayPal acquisition were $180 million. I put $100 million in SpaceX, $70 in Tesla, and $10 in Solar City. You should take the approach that you're wrong. Your goal is to be less wrong. I think it's very important to have a feedback loop where you're constantly thinking about what you've done and how you could be doing it better. It is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. I think it would be great to be born on Earth and die on Mars. Just hopefully not at the point of impact. Constantly seek criticism. A well-thought-out critique of whatever you're doing is as valuable as gold. No, I don't ever give up. I'd have to be dead or completely incapacitated. If you need inspiration, don't do it. I'm not trying to be anyone's savior. I'm just trying to think about the future and not be sad. The first step is to establish that something is possible, then probability. One of the really tough things is figuring out what questions to ask. Once you figure out the question, then the answer is relatively easy. I take the position that I'm always to some degree wrong, and the aspiration is to be less wrong. Constantly think about how you could be doing things better. When I was a little kid, I was really scared of the dark. But then I came to understand. Dark just means the absence of photons in the visible wavelength, 400 to 700 nanometers. Then I thought, well, it's really silly to be afraid of a lack of photons. Then I wasn't afraid of the dark anymore after that. Every person in your company is a vector. Your progress is determined by the sum of all vectors. I could go and buy one of the islands in the Bahamas and turn it into my personal fiefdom, but I am much more interested in trying to build and create a new company. Thanks for watching this video. Please guys, like and subscribe now.